On Horizons 3, we have 14 cards. See if we can pull some of those nice fetchies. Utter Insignificance, Gift of the Viper, Dross Claw, a Dog Umbra, Uncommons. These cards are definitely have a different feeling. Check out this video here from the Ravnica, or the Innistrad Remastered right there. These cards were slipping all over the place. This is a completely different feeling than those cards. They were sliding all over. Disciple, and we got a rare Savine's Reclamation, Ripples of Undeath. Not bad, not bad.